I think I'm next, right? This is somewhat of a PSA, not anything crazy new. The big announcement is that we are rolling out Editing Viz on Dashboard on OmniApp and is encouraging people in the field next week to start turning this on for customers who are eager to get their hands on these features. The progress this week has been pretty incremental, like kind of removing a lot of paper cuts. And one of those first paper cuts is changing the tile menu. Previously, this would just say edit, and it would take you to the workbook, just like this button does. But what we've done now is we've added this edit chart option, which will quickly jump you into the chart editor for the tile you're looking at. So you can start adding or editing your charts in whatever way you want. Another sharp corner that got rounded off thanks to Sarah for this is you'll see we have the KPI menu here. And previously, when you'd click make this small, the KPI menu would stay big and it would get cut off by the Viz. So Sarah did some awesome work here to make this fit, and she launched that this week. And so if it gets too small, it transitions to this little button. You can add new values here, and we can update our KPI Viz. Say something like how many dogs do I own? And you'll notice the one of the big things over the next few weeks is going to be performance. Right now, it takes a couple seconds from when you click on a change in your editor to see that propagate to the Viz. So far, it's been about just getting feature completeness and getting it all working, and then we can roll it out as we improve performance in the coming weeks. And there's as well a few updates on the table side that Rob did a lot of hard work to figure out. And one of those is resizing columns in the table. So you can drag and resize your columns. So you can make simple table modifications here as well. But if you want to do stuff that modifies the query, like changing a pivot or doing subtotals, like those sort of options are not going to be available here in this menu. You're still going to have to go out to the workbook to do some more complex table viz stuff. Yeah, so that's about it. Encourage people to try it on OmniApp and maybe start turning it on for customers so we can get feedback as we polish some of the rough edges.